Okay, here I'm go with sellers because you can see there is a strong momentum of sellers and a single candle cannot stop a momentum of sellers, so that's why I'm going with sellers at this point. My entry point was little late from the starting point of the candle, so that's why I'm again placed a lower option. Okay. Okay, here I'm go with sellers because you can see the last green candle is a breakout candle which is break the SNR, and the SNR was made so many strong candle and momentum of sellers, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. Okay. Okay, so here I'm go with sellers. You can see the starting point of running candle, there is a round number, and the buyers copied the previous sellers momentum and closed weekly at the round number, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. Here I'm placed lower option because market is in downtrend. Big boy and small boy both are in downward direction, and last candle made a week to VSSNR. It means sellers buyers next entry point at the VSSNR, and running candle starting point is little far from the VSSNR, so that's why I'm going with sellers at this point, and I'm win here. Here I'm placed lower option because you can see a single candle cannot stop a momentum, and sellers are too strong. That's why they broke the VSSN line. So that's why I'm go with sellers. At least for 1 minute sellers will appear here. A single candle cannot stop a momentum. Okay. Here I'm placed higher lower option because you can see again there is a momentum and a single candle cannot stop a momentum, and running candle is little near to the entry point of sellers, so that's why I'm go with sellers with marginal safety. Okay, sellers are entered. Here I'm go with sellers because there is a momentum and a single candle cannot stop a momentum, and the market is in also little downtrend, getting downtrend, so that's why I'm go with sellers at this point. There is big boy up and small boy down. Here I'm go with buyers because you can see at the VSSNR sellers are getting weaker, so that's why I'm go with buyers. I placed two trade here because my first trade is a late entry, so that's why I'm placed my second trade with marginal safety.